I shouldn't have given you my body. And I know we live in a society where everything is so cool and relaxed. But there's nothing cool and nonchalant about two souls coming together in the most intimate and vulnerable way, in fact. I shouldn't have allowed you to touch my precious body with your dirty hands. You see, people will do the most, go above and beyond to get under your clothes, and then walk away and disappear like a ghost. As if what just happened was not a sacred act. Which in my defense, I thought would bring us closer, not farther apart, making me feel lower and weaker than I have ever felt before. I gave you the one thing I should have protected, because with my body comes my heart, and I gave you that without a cost. Now we go back to being strangers with the past, and as I lay down in bed and cry myself to sleep, I just want to ask, out of all of the bodies you could have had, why try so hard to get mine and then leave firsthand? You knew with my body came everything that I am, and you hate yourself so much that you needed to destroy everything that I was. And it's kind of funny because damn, now I hate myself too for giving you what should have been protected and appreciated, and now it's a personal disappointment I can't undo. I shouldn't have given you my body because I feel empty and used because of a man, or should I say a boy, who couldn't simply say the truth. You are so empty and miserable, you needed someone to feel that with you too.